everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now.
Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our world tour series, we will draw and explore the land of rising sun, Japan. We will draw a cherry blossom garden of Tokyo, Japan. So watch till the end to experience this stunning magical journey, paintings and stories of Japan. So my Blossom Buddies, this has been a long time now we are doing this world tour series. We have traveled through many different places, countries, people, their life, their cultures, and of course these all virtually through the eyes of art, through Imagination Gallery only. So this time, my friends, we will take a trip to Japan, the place known as the land of rising sun. So today let's take a tour to Japan. Besides, this is Olympics time and we are very much into it, right? So I just thought, why not we take some knowledge about that country? Why not we know about that country, where it's taking place? Japan. So when you will next time, maybe like today, tomorrow, whenever you watch the next Olympic Games, you can also recall this country's beauty and purity, all the knowledge given by only in Imagination Gallery. Let's indulge in the captivating natural beauty with our colors. Friends, here in this painting, we can see two women are enjoying this natural beauty of a garden. Cherry blossom is everywhere, spreading its eccentric magic. Eye-soothing natural beauty is giving our soul a sense of peace. A pagoda is giving a sneak peek from far away. What a magical day it is there in Tokyo. Now friends, let's know about this country. Japan is an island country in East Asia, located in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. Tokyo is Japan's capital and the largest city. Japan is a great power and a member of numerous international organizations, including United Nations since 1956, the OECD, the Group of Seven, and many others. Japan experienced record growth in an economic miracle, becoming the second largest economy of the world by 1990s. Friends, when we are in Imagination Gallery, it would be incomplete and it would never happen if we don't talk about art and culture. So let's know about Japanese art and culture. Contemporary Japanese culture combines influences from Asia, Europe, North America. Traditional Japanese arts include crafts such as ceramics, textiles, swords and dolls. Performances of bunraku, kabuki, no, dance and rakugo and other practices, the tea ceremony, ikebana, martial arts, calligraphy, origami, games, etc. Japan has a developed system for the protection and promotion of both tangible and intangible cultural properties and national treasures. 22 sites have been inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List, 18 of which are of cultural significance. The history of Japanese paintings exhibits synthesis and competition between native Japanese aesthetics and imported ideas. The interaction between Japanese and European art has been very significant. Now friends, let's talk about that part which we are depicting. We are seeing the natural beauty, the cherry blossom especially. So this year, the cherry blossoms in Tokyo start blooming around the middle of March, coming into full bloom near the end of the month. We have seen 20 great spots. There are like 20 great spots all around Tokyo where you can enjoy viewing this cherry blossom in 2021. When we think about Tokyo, the image which comes up in our mind is of rows of tall buildings, but there are plenty of places where you can sit down and or do a picnic. You can rest, you can enjoy under the pink cherry blossoms. Friends, Japan is famous for quite a lot of things. So, if we talk about stunning country as in Japan in East Asia, it is known from the iconic Mount Fuji to the notorious Yakuza. And if you ask your friends, you will almost get different answers from different person, because it depends on the person where they are interested in. Mount Fuji is the highest volcano in Japan, which is the most significant tourist attraction, most significant site of the country. Apart from that, Tokyo Skytree is the tallest tower not just in Japan but in the entire world. Japan is also known for its amazing railway. Yes, of course, we cannot forget the fastest bullet trains, which can reach speeds well over 300 kilometers per hour remarkably. Japan is pretty famous for its tea ceremonies also, known as a way of tea. They include ceremonial preparations and presentation of matcha, a powdered green tea. Japan is also famous for calligraphy and origamis, Buddhist temples and Shinto shrines, sushi and ramen, samurai and ninjas, and of course we cannot forget cherry blossoms. So my Blossom buddies, I just wanted to especially emphasize on cherry blossom because we are depicting that, and that is a famous significant, when we think about Japan, we think about Mount Fuji and the cherry blossom, pink cherry blossom. So this is another attraction, and cherry blossom are an integral part of Japan landscape. The country is full of these beautiful trees, and they are actually considered the unofficial national flower of Japan. There are several species of cherry blossom, but the Japanese cherry, which is called sakura, is by far the most popular one. With one of the longest and most complex histories of any country on earth, Japan's colors, sights and traditions have fascinated visitors for thousands of years. As a country, it's a fascinating look at old meets new. Japan holds strong to its traditions and roots while still making room for innovations and new trends. Friends, our World Tour series is not over yet. This search will continue. All the narrow paths of this world are shaking hands, and we will continue to search this happiness and joy, to share this especially with you all. Let this be one family. Let's color the life with Imagination Gallery. today's expedition to the land of rising sun, Japan? Transmit your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know more about different illustrations, paintings and the stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here's wishing you an amazing week ahead. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now.